Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read for you. Libra, let's see what's going on with you. Let's see what's going on with your person and what action we can expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here, for all your support to the channel. I'm very grateful. And yes, Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you back. Welcome you in, sorry. I got a bit scatterbrained when I saw the Four of Wands in reverse. Somebody wants to return to make something right. Okay, let me see. Let me not say anything right now. So Libra, the newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, your action cards, etc. And for the duration of the reading, this side is going to be person A for me and this side is going to be person B for me. If this is your story, you'll know which side you resonate best with. Bottom of my deck, Libra, I have the Death card in reverse. So somebody still wants to fight for this connection. They don't want this to be over. They don't want this to be over. They've had a bit of trouble in... Let's see. Okay, so from person, let me see these cards first. Somebody is kind of lost hope in this connection, thinking, hey, this is like a unrequited love situation. No, this has ended already, but somebody wants to return back to it. Where the other person is concerned, they feel their person is a liar, their person is very unemotional, their person is only interested in the sex and the passion, and that's about it. They never speak their truth. So before I continue with the rest of the reading, Libra, let me start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. So Libra and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Libra and their person, if they could say something to each other, what would that be, Spirit? Libra and their person. All right. So I'm going to take a few more from here, Libra. Libra and their person, if they could say... and Libra, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay. Done. So let's start with your reading. The first card here says... At first, I thought it was only a sexual attraction. But it's so much more than that. I love you, mind, body, and soul. See, this is how person B is viewing their person. That, hey, you took it only as a sexual, connection. And I think person A saying, at first I thought it was only a sexual attraction, but it's so much more than that. I let my temptations get the best of me. I got sidetracked. Wishing you all the best, even if it's with someone else. One person is losing hope in this connection. I have other things on my mind other than you now. You changed up and that triggers me. My answer will be, I do. So somebody wants the other person to ask them. I cried all night wondering why you weren't sleeping next to me. And the last card here says, Libra, I'm embarrassed over how desperate I became and what I did. Do you still respect me? So somebody did something which they are very ashamed of. They showed that they were a player or something, or did something, or maybe had third parties, let their other temptations get the best of them. I do see one person changing, but the other person has kind of made up their mind that, hey, wish you the best wherever you are, and I have other things now to do. Let's start with this reading. Let me start with a with an angel blessing card. Let's see what blessing, guidance, advice, or message there is for you here, Libra. Blessing, guidance, advice, love. This connection has a lot of love. Or somebody is recognizing that I do love my person. I thought it was only sexual, but the love is there. Love is pure. This is the first time I've got this card, I think, for after many readings. I don't remember seeing this card for a very long time. So this is pure love. I don't need to explain this card. But there's a pause going on in your love life. That's also there. All right. So person A, why do you have the Four of Wands in reverse? What happened here? Why do you feel you've lost your chance to have a Four of Wands? Because if the person A feels that my person has now boundaries up, they've become too strong and they've left me out in the cold. They've kind of blocked me off. Maybe person B has now blocked them. They are kind of, they're feeling left out in the cold, but I think they see their partner as very happy and very strong now. And they feel I've lost my chance to have this happiness with them. But there is an Eight of Cups. Why is that, Spirit? Who wants to return for what? Person A, why are you feeling that way? They want to return big time. This is like a biggest tower moment of their life. They can't believe that their person has kind of changed up on them. They're totally triggered, as this card says. You changed up on me. That triggers you. Triggers me. You're looking happy. You're looking strong. You left me out in the cold. You don't want to have this Four of Wands with me anymore. Person A is manifesting big time that their person returns back to them. I want you back, and I am going to do my magic and my prayers and whatever and pull you back into my life. So, one card for this Magician, Spirit. What's this Magician trying to do? They want to make peace. They want to end this conflict with this beautiful single person who's looking radiant, beautiful, shining, and looking very strong. They want to heal this conflict with them and find peace with them once again. They want them to return, or they want to return back to them. I don't know, but they're manifesting this return. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? Three of Swords in reverse. They didn't want to go through any heartbreak, heart pain again. Even though I think this person knew that person B was their happiness, their forever person, their future, they refused to make a decision. They took too long, they thought too long, they never wanted to decide on, making that decision. Why is that, Spirit? What's this Three of Swords in reverse? Death in reverse. They didn't want things to change in their life. They didn't want things to change in their life. They never said, or they kind of kept things stuck, and they never spoke their truth. They never really articulated what they really wanted with person B, thinking that, I'll take my time. I know they're going to be there. This is my future. Right now, maybe this person was coming out of a heartbreak or something. They didn't want to again commit, maybe, or maybe that's how they felt about their person. They did something which Knight of Cups in reverse. Libra, your card is out. Knight of Cups in reverse. Even though I think this person knew who their choice was, they never offered love. They never offered love. Somewhere in their mind, they justified it. as what, Spirit? That what's the point? If I do offer love, I'm going to be rejected anyway. I've never had luck in, a forever kind of a relationship. Even though they saw that this is their person, oh yes, they saw that this is their empress, this is the one, but they never offered commitment. They never offered this empress this happily ever after. Maybe they had a fear of rejection, or they had been hurt before in the past and they felt justified. It's like hurt people, so because they had been hurt, they did the same thing to this empress. That's so strange, sick. So what happens, Spirit, now? How do they see this connection? Now they see this empress in reverse. This empress has kind of said, all right, you don't play with me, I'm an empress. Now they want it all. Now ever since this empress has stopped giving to them or has moved away or is no longer interested in them, now their fire is burning. Now they want to take action. Now they want this 10 of Pentacles. They want to hold on to this connection. But earlier, I think they did something which they broke a promise or something. They didn't offer this to this empress at all. They didn't offer any commitment. They broke a promise. They hurt this empress in the past. So this empress has now given up, and now this person has woken up to say, hey, no, I was keeping you for later. I wasn't sure that time. I want to take action. I lied to you. But now they're also a little scared that they may not get a second chance, because now they don't know how to bring their truth forward. 4 of Pentacles, Spirit. 4 of Pentacles. So what are they doing? They're still holding on to the connection, that's for sure. They're holding on to that dream that, one day I'll be able to take action, because they find this empress glowing. There's the Queen of Wands. This is that go-getter, beautiful, exotic creature that they feel is shining bright. So what all they're doing is watching. They've been watching this empress all along. I don't know why they did what they did, but now they want this return. What action they're going to finally take, I'll open later, Libra. Let's go on to the other side. I'm still confused about what really transpired in their brain. Their brain did something funny here, where even though they knew, they still hurt this empress. It was almost like hurt people. Anyway, person B, how do you feel about this connection now? King of Swords in reverse. Oh, this person B is the Queen of Swords in reverse. They feel, now we match. My person has always been unemotional. Now I've become unemotional. I don't trust them anymore. I am angry with them. I'm bitter about whatever they've done to me. I didn't deserve to be treated this way. And they lied. They never showed me anything. Yes, they were juggling me. And that's why I kind of put a spoke in that wheel of fortune to say, halt, stop, I'm not going to be juggled. I'm not there only for the passion. Am I right, Spirit? Ace of Wands. They felt this person, somewhere I think person B knew that person A did have some love for them, but they also felt that they were always keeping their emotions hidden. They were always holding back from them where emotions were concerned. I mean, where passion was concerned, they were all out, but where emotions were concerned, they would hold back. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Ace of Cups. I think a love offer was made. Yes, maybe somebody offered a cup of love or offered emotions, but they were not happy with the result. They felt their person never reciprocated or never invested back into the connection. And maybe brought third parties in, I don't know, Three of Pentacles in reverse. Whatever said and done, this connection stopped working. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Oh. I'm so sorry, Libra. If this side is you, then you always knew that this was a soulmate connection. You always probably felt this was a twin flame connection. But because this person never really invested into this connection, the love was felt so strong. But something stopped this connection from working, either third parties or this person didn't put in the work. It got person B into feeling quite depressed, quite sad. Because, hey, we both know it's there. I'm offering it to you, but you're still behaving so badly with me. So, how does person B now see this connection, Spirit? They feel there's too much of, water under the bridge now, too much of conflict, too much of fighting has happened. They feel their person is always wanting to be right even when they're wrong. It's like they will turn things around to make person B feel like they are the loser. I'm right, you're wrong. It's always like a game for them to win at any cost, even if it hurts them. And that's the reason I think person B is feeling that I've halted this connection now. I'm bringing it to some level of stagnancy now because I don't see it going anywhere. Five of Swords, Spirit. Five of Swords. Yes, person B is making a decision. They're making a decision to maybe move on to a brand new beginning or a fresh start somewhere else. Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. Yeah, person B has stopped communication totally. They don't want to be in an atmosphere where they're going to be stressed out. Libra, somebody's saying, I don't want to move towards this connection anymore. I don't want to have any more sleepless nights or worry, tension in my life. This person brings in too much conflict, too much conflict. It's my decision, it's my choice, it's my life. And I want something stable in my life. I want something which will go the long haul, which will grow. And the only way I can now heal myself is if I stop communication with person A. So, person A, will you take any action? They're sitting very sad here. Four of Cups. Why is the Four of Cups here, Spirit? Oh, they have so much regret now of what they've done. They're looking back and seeing how they ruined such a beautiful connection. They never offered, they never took. They're now feeling sad and lonely and bored and rejected and just kind of listless. They do want to have this fresh new beginning, that's for sure. Am I right, Spirit? What's this Fool card for them? What for person A? They want to come and express something. They want to reveal the secrets that they've been keeping. And what is that, the secret, Spirit? Can you tell us? What is it that they want to tell person B? What is the secret that they want to come and tell person B? One more. They've made some kind of a choice now, but somewhere this person is still trying to control doing the right thing. They're getting impatient now. They do want a reconciliation. They want a fresh new beginning, but this person can't get out of their head. Libra, I mean, this is irritating me. They want this reconciliation. They want to come and speak their truth. They're getting impatient, but they are still controlling. Person B, will you take any action? Two of Wands. Why is Two of Wands in action? One more. Person B, action. Person B is saying, I have stayed at limbo for too long. I've waited for too long. I've been just stagnant here. I haven't moved an inch. But now I feel if I don't, this is backfired totally. If I'm not even interested now in fighting for this connection. I don't want to put in any more work. I'm ready to kind of bring this to a halt now. I want to just be stress free. I want to get out of my head. Enough is enough for me. So the pause continues, even though there's so much love here. This Emperor in reverse, this is mind control, just wanting to have the power. Inside them, they feel like this. Desperately wanting a fresh new beginning, desperately wanting a reconciliation, watching from afar. Person A, I need you to say something to me. What do you want to say to person B? They want to come out of this place. They want to work things out. They don't. Person A is saying, I don't want to be, on my own or feeling lonely, bored, rejected, dejected. I want to come out of this place. I really do want to work things out. But, what is the but? Can I have one more? Oh. As much as they want to come back, Libra, as much as person A wants to come back, they are stopping themselves. They are like frozen. Why? Because either they have created some kind of a heartbreak between the two of you. There's a case of broken hearts here. So as much as they want to come back, they are not able to move because of the heartbreak that either they've caused or they are feeling or is between the two of you. They're almost paralyzed in fear. Okay, so the love is there and person B is losing hope. Somebody is unwilling to change their ways and too much delay is happening in this connection. I think person B is using this time very well and I think moving on. Even though the love is there. Alright, so that's all I have for you, Libra. Take care, love and light. I'll see you soon. Namaste.